In this video, we'll look at an interesting question. Can castor oil packs help your liver health and Hashimoto's thyroiditis? You've probably heard that thyroid health depends in large part on the health of your liver. Your liver filters blood, stores glucose, produces bile, and helps to convert T4 to the active thyroid hormone T3. The liver filters and detoxifies in two phases. During phase 1, the liver breaks down fat-soluble toxins like medications into smaller particles. In phase 2, the liver makes these particles water-soluble so they can be excreted in urine, sweat, or stool. Sometimes the liver becomes overwhelmed with toxins. Instead of breaking down and excreting these toxins, it stores them in fat. This causes symptoms like yellowish skin, abdominal pain, swelling, dark urine, fatigue, constipation, and more. Because the thyroid depends on a healthy liver, a sluggish and overloaded liver can negatively affect your thyroid function. What can you do? Enter castor oil. It's been in medicinal use since ancient Egypt. Castor oil is a cold-pressed liquid excreted from the bean of the Ricinus communis plant. This versatile oil helps detox your liver and support healthy liver function. The easiest way to enjoy these benefits is with a castor oil pack. Studies show that castor oil packs can normalize lymphocyte count, support your immune system, relieve constipation, and support healthy liver function. Doing a castor oil pack is simple. Start by pouring castor oil on an old t-shirt or towel. Place the fabric on the upper right area of your stomach, over your liver. Add a heating pad or hot water bottle on top. Relax for an hour, while it works its magic. After you're done, wipe off any excess oil, and wash up if necessary. You can start with once a week and gradually increase to 3 to 5 times a week if needed. Castor oil packs are a wonderful addition to your wellness routine. But remember that good thyroid health starts with optimal monitoring and treatment for your Hashimoto's and hypothyroidism. Paloma Health makes that easy with thyroid testing and virtual care from top thyroid providers, all from the comfort of home. This video has been brought to you by Paloma Health, the nation's leading medical practice dedicated to hypothyroidism care. Learn more at www.palomahealth.com.